Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use Bing's AI image generator, and to do this you will basically need to go bing.com/create, or you can just write down on Google Bing AI image generator, and after that you will need to sign up. And to create an account, of course, Microsoft account. If you already have it, basically just sign in, and after that you can see here a lot of already created AI generated images. You can actually also download them, but to create one you need to write down something here on this bar. So for example, let's write down camping fireplace in the mountains. Of course you want to write as much as possible, but for now I'm just basically gonna click enter and it will start creating. You need to wait a few seconds for it to be generated. And as you can see, the AI generated these beautiful images, and as you can see, I used 1 credit as I had 15. And now you can actually click on this image and you can download it, customize it, save it to your Bing account, or you can share it with someone else. So yeah, that's basically how it works. Just keep in mind to write down as much information as possible in the search bar. I wrote actually maybe not enough, but the images are looking beautiful, so that's enough for me. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.